Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about mobile app development. So let's start. The age of mobile apps. Today we have smartphones and tablets which help us carry our world with us and remain online 24 into 7. We use mobile internet for several reasons: communication, entertainment, training, tour and travel, job search, banking, shopping, booking flights, cabs and hotels, etc. The list is too long to accommodate here. Most of our transactions are carried out by some app. A mobile app is a piece of software specially designed to be installed on the handheld device such as smartphones and tablets to provide desired services. An app runs under the control of mobile operating systems such as Android and iOS, etc. An app runs under the control of mobile operating systems such as Android and iOS, etc. Apps are mostly free to download, but user may have to pay for the services provided by the service provider of the app. Main features of mobile apps. Apps are easy to download and install on the device. Apps are mostly free and very lightweight on memory and processor. Software easily runs in lesser memory and CPU power. Apps are generally not bound with license restrictions as software. App is an interface between the online services provided by the business and the customer. For example, if you have a bank account, then major services of your account can be accessed through a mobile app made freely available by the bank. Apps are a great way for business to reach their customers and develop a bigger customer base with lesser expenses of time and money. And many more options are there. You can read this. Next is use of common apps. What is the use of common apps? There are many common apps. Like I'm going to here telling about gaming apps. Popular among all age groups, this category lists a variety of games, puzzles, and riddles. It will be offline or online also. Multiplayers are some board categories of games. Recently, Pikachu and PUBG have been most popular games. As you know, PUBG is banned in our country. Now, we can't play the PUBG here, but similarly of PUBG game are given here. Many more. Here some games name are given like Clash of Clans, Candy Crush Saga, Angry Bird Go, Temple Run. These are the gaming apps. You can download from the Play Store and you can play it. Educational apps. Various self-paced learn apps as well as comprehensive online courses from recognized universities and colleges world over are available through various apps. Popular examples are Duolingo, Photomath, Quizlet, Lumosity, TAD, Baizu. There are many educational apps we can use. You can download these apps from the Play Store and you can continue your education by using these apps. Next is business apps. As I told you in last chapters, like business to business, B2B, business to consumer, B2C, consumer to consumer, C2C. I have told you in last chapters about these business apps. Like if you want to C2C use, you have to use many apps like Quicker or OLX. You can use like this. Manufacturers, distributor and retailer use such apps. B2C apps allows consumers to browse, subscribe or buy and use the products and services. C2C apps allows the user to sell their products and services using the platform provided by the business website. Here customers can publish their services for other customers to use. Some examples are like I have told you: B2B, like Google Analytics, Hootsuite, WebEx, Salesforce, Docozings. For B2C, examples are Snapchat, Flipkart, Amazon, all gaming apps, banking apps. These are B2C apps. C2C app, I have told you like OLX, eBay, Magic Bricks, Quicker, Amazon also provides such services now. Next is developing app. App creating involves a lot of planning and basic programming languages, but certain websites provide simple app building services to create apps through a graphical interface with the user requiring to have no knowledge of programming. Appify is one such online platform. There are many platforms are given on the internet. By using this platform, you can create your applications without any knowledge of any programming. But you have to use those websites. Like here some given, like if you want to use Appify, so you have to use this link was given here. Go to http://appify.com and click on get started. On the next page, enter your app name and click next. Creating app with MIT App Inventor. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, stand for MIT, has provided App Inventor, an online app building interface which allows creating powerful apps by drag drop features and block based programming approach. Means in this you can create your application by drag drop features. There are many options are there. You can drag the options and drop in your app according to your wish. Next is accessing App Inventor. Log into MIT App Inventor web interface by going to, you have to use this this website like appinventor.mit.edu. Like this, there are many websites are there you can use. So we are talking about here accessing App Inventor. So you have to use this link like appinventor.mit.edu. Then you have to enter. When you will click enter, after that it's showing like this interface. Here you have to sign up with your email ID, like whatever your ID, you have to log in there. After that you have to click on start new project. When you will click on start new project, create new app inventor project dialog box will appear. Here you have to give the project name, like here given welcome app. Here you can give according to your wish, like you are making any app, you have to give project name according to your wish, and then you have to click on OK button. App inventor interface. AI interface has two parts which you can switch between by clicking on the following buttons on the right side of the interface. They are given two options, designer and blocks. So designer, it allows creating the graphical layout of your app. If you want to choose blocks, so you have to click on block option, and block provides various programming blocks to add interactive to your app. Designing the app in the designer. Designer has 6 parts: menu bar, toolbar, palettes, viewer, components and properties. Menu bar, it shows menus such as project, connect, build, etc. Toolbar, it displays options such as screen, drop down list, options to add and remove screens of your app. Palette, it contains all the components which make the interface of your app. Viewer, it is the area where you design your app's interface by drag dropping components. Components, it shows the list of components added to your app. Properties, it shows the properties of the selected component in your app.